Hey guys, Hafiza here. Today we are making a West African dish. It's called Jollof. Hey guys, Hafiza here. Today is my daughter's school fundraiser. It's the biggest fundraiser of the year, the Harvest Festival. And since they'll have an international table at the festival, we're gonna make a West African dish, jollof rice, that is so good, so delicious. You can find it in countries like Ghana or Nigeria. So today we're gonna veganize that recipe and bring that to the festival to sell at the Harvest Festival. So take a look at this really easy, simple recipe that you can make at home. Super good, super delicious. Let's take a look.
Water for my head, shy for the stress, I can't come kill myself. Very, very soon, things go fall in place, no time to regret, to the top of the head, me and my guys with the soft on the side, very, very soon, things go fall in place, Ìyanu wá ṣẹlẹ̀ o, Olúwa cover mi, Ìyanu wá ṣẹlẹ̀ o, Bangudu bangba, Ìyanu wá ṣẹlẹ̀ o, Olúwa cover you, Ìyanu wá ṣẹlẹ̀ o, blessings coming through. Somebody call me holy water, I dey pray for Akonuche. Wetin man no fit do, wetin man no fit do, Oluwa go do am. Wetin man no fit do, wetin man no fit do, Oluwa go do am. Plenty blessings follow you, plenty blessings follow me, plenty blessings we go see. Ìyanu wá ṣẹlẹ̀ o, Oluwa cover mi, Ìyanu wá ṣẹlẹ̀ o, Bangudu bangba, Ìyanu wá ṣẹlẹ̀ o, Olúwa cover you, Ìyanu wá ṣẹlẹ̀ o, blessings coming through, Pour water for my head, shy for the stress, can't come kill myself. Very, very soon, things go fall in place, no time to regret, no, to the top of the head,
we get behind right.